In this video, we're gonna show you how to use Westjet dollars for vacation. First, sign into your Westjet Rewards account. Go to the Westjet website and log into your account where your Westjet dollars balance is shown. Then choose your destination, search for flights, hotels, or vacation packages as you normally would. Westjet dollars can be used for all flights marketed and operated by Westjet as well as on vacation packages offered by Westjet Vacation. After that, select your payment method. During checkout, you will see an option to use your Westjet dollars. You can choose to apply your balance toward part or all of the base fare for flight or the total package cost for vacation. Then apply Westjet dollars. Enter the amount you would like to redeem. Note that you may have a minimum redemption requirement like 15 USD dollars per booking. And the last one is review and confirm. Double check your booking details and the amount of USD dollars applied. Then complete your booking. So that's how you can use USD dollars for vacation.